stay clear. I'm out in the sand. I'm out in some body of water. Get the hell out of here. This place is horrible. No plants.
Off the Florida Keys, there's a place called Kokomo. That's where you want.
We have here a discovery, a plant in the ocean. Maybe this place ain't as bad as I thought. I tell you what, I'm going in deep.
Gonna catch a glimpse.
I'm on an expedition into the wild. Tropical wonderland, foreign realm, exotic. This is the Jersey Shore, and we got all kinds of plants growing in this maritime region. Check it out. Look at this thing right here. That's called Satan's cough drop, also called the devil's lozenge. Because if you look at it closely, you're gonna see a little lozenge-shaped, spiky capsule. You put this thing down your throat, you're gonna feel like you're in hell. You're smart, you study nature. A lot of tribes folk, a lot of indigenous peoples, a lot of cannibals. All right, I'm talking about crazy Italian people, you stay away. Take a close look at this. It's called Dune Grass, dude. And the Dune Grass is what's holding it all together. Because when that ocean comes a-raging, big old storm, Dune Grass, the only thing holding this beach together, otherwise we'd all be washed out to sea, we'd be drowning, we'd be dead. Davy Jones' locker. Nah, it's DrPlants. Hey, what we got here is a magnificent example of one of the most exemplary tropical species of tree, called the palm tree. These things will grow practically anywhere. Look at this thing, growing out of the concrete. Now that's a nice tree. I wish I could grow these at home. Look, there's another. They grow out of the ground and provide a precious resource for the indigenous people of the area. I'm talking about the native folk around here. They grow these things. They use them for lumber. They make shelter out of the leaves. And also, amazingly, they grow the coconut fruit, which is one of the best fruits for making pina coladas, coconut cream pie, and it's not really good for much else. Palm tree. You gotta be careful, because not everything's a plant. You got all kinds of creatures, crawling around, trying to get on you. I got one of these things, found him stuck to my neck last night, sucking my blood. You know what I did? I killed him. Now let's take a look at another one of these maritime species, lives in the sand. These plants don't need dirt. Let's look at this dune plant. We got here these little beans growing. They call them sea beans. Shout out to my friend from the sea bean. All right, we got these things, but you don't eat those beans. They ain't no good for you. First thing that's gonna happen, you're gonna be hallucinating. You're gonna be going crazy. Next thing that happens, you'll be dead. So it's not a good trip. Stay off the sea beans, stay in school. Get that education, learn science. Hold on, listen. There's one other thing I forgot to tell you about the palm tree. They're good for making rafts. If you gotta escape, just make yourself a boat out of palm trees and you'll be free in no time. All right? So don't worry about no tribal captors, some sort of cannibals. You don't gotta worry about them if you got palm tree. It's time to discover the mysteries of the deep, where it all began. Algal life forms, single-cell photosynthetic organisms, the ocean. Let's go. This is where it all began, the world of plants.
Really? Ah!